Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have got something exciting to share with you. Have you ever wondered if you could make money simply by shortening links and sharing them? In this video, I'm going to dive into that exact topic. So what do I mean by shortening links? For example, you take an already existing and popular YouTube video or Instagram reel or even TikTok video, you go to a website that will shorten the link, and then when you post it on your social media and people click on it and watch them, you're going to get money. You're going to get paid by these websites. And today we will explore 7 websites that will give you money by doing just that. These websites work everywhere, so it doesn't matter if you are in Africa or anywhere else in the world. This opportunity could be for you. Before we discuss these websites, you need to understand how you're going to make money from this method. There are websites that will pay you for posting content, and whenever someone views it from a specific country, you're going to get paid. For example, let's talk about YouTube. YouTube will pay you anywhere around $1 to $4 per 1,000 views, right? But I have 7 websites that will pay you anywhere from $7 to $20 per 1,000 views. And on top of it, you don't need to make your own original content. You can simply take existing original content that someone else made and went viral and got a lot of likes and post it. It is kind of guaranteed that you will get views, and in turn, you will make money by simply doing nothing. This is a very lucrative way to make money online, especially when you are putting no effort into anything. All you're doing is pasting these URLs or these links, and these websites will shorten the links, and whenever someone views it from specific regions, you're going to get money. So if you have understood it well, first of all, I'm going to urge you to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with family and friends. Also, do let me know in the comments below whether you liked this video or not. The first website we are going to look at is links.Gone. They are going to pay you $11 per 1,000 views if you get German traffic. They want people from Germany to watch videos or to click on those links. So now you might be wondering, how am I going to get exactly German people to somehow click on these videos? It is kind of easy. I will urge you to find videos that are already popular or have gone viral in Germany, or even general things that went viral, and all you're going to do is go to Facebook pages or Facebook groups that are about Germany or has something to do with the German people. Another way you can get a German traffic is by adding hashtags, for example, hashtag Germany or hashtag something like that, and you can do that when you're posting it on your Facebook or Twitter, especially Twitter. That is the best way to have a reach of people in Germany. For example, some of my videos I get views from India, or sometimes I get views from USA. So imagine actually adding hashtags to attract those people. After you attract those viewers or those German viewers, you are going to get paid $11 for 1,000 views. They have monthly payments or payouts through PayPal or your bank for a minimum of $10. The second website is called clicksfly.com. This website will pay you $15 for traffic from the United States and $4 for traffic from India. And for you to get that specific traffic from those 2 countries, all you're going to do is find videos of popular content creators in the United States or India and posting it on your social media, for example, Facebook or Twitter. They will pay you $1 for a sign-up bonus, and you will get paid at least $3.5 when users click from any part of the world. The $15 and the $4 are specifically if you get traffic from the United States or India, but for the rest of the world, you are still going to get paid $3.5, which is a lot. They have a minimum payout of $3, and they pay via PayPal, bank transfer, Paytm, and others. You can also earn 20% of the commission when you refer a new sign-up, for example, a friend of yours. The third website is called adpaylink.com. This website pays $13 for traffic from Germany. So if you get 1,000 views from Germany, you're going to get paid $13. And they also pay $7 for 1,000 views if you get views from UAE or Hong Kong. They also have payment for the rest of the world. For example, if anyone else in the world views your videos or clicks on those links, you will still get paid $3. They have a minimum payout of $5, and they pay through via PayPal, bank transfer, and others. Payments are made daily, and you can earn 10% commission when you refer a new sign up. The fourth website is called links.Gone. They have one of the highest payouts, which is $20 for 1,000 impressions. This website has not specified the country that they're going to pay you for that traffic, but it seems it is worldwide. So I am assuming that whenever someone clicks on it, and let's say it is 1,000 people, you're going to get paid $20. They also say you can earn up to 25% of your referrals money. For example, a friend of yours makes money through your referral, you're going to get paid 25%. They have only $2 as the minimum threshold to withdraw your money, and they pay you through your bank or via UPI, ATM. I haven't used any of the other two, but they do have bank transfer. The fifth website is called Smona. This website will pay you $5 for traffic from the United States, but you will still get paid if anyone else in the world clicks on those links. They have a minimum payout of $3 and they pay via PayPal. The payments are made daily. Also, you can earn 10% commission when you refer a new sign up. The sixth website is called UII. I don't know how to pronounce it. They will pay you $7 for 1,000 views for tier 2 and tier 3 countries. So for example, a tier 2 country is countries like Japan, Singapore, and others like that. And tier 3 countries are countries like Nepal, Indonesia, and India. So whenever people from those countries view or click on your links, you're going to get paid. They have a minimum payout of $5. They have a referral commission of 20%. They will pay you through PayPal and Pioneer, and they pay out daily. The last website is called OU, and you'll see it on the screen because I don't know how to pronounce it, but this website will pay you $5 if you get traffic from Australia, and you will get paid on the first day and the 15th day of every month. They have a minimum payout of $5 and their payment method is through PayPal. They also have a referral program where you can earn 20% commission. And that's it. Those are the 7 websites where you can earn money by shortening links and sharing them with your audience. But don't forget about the tip I shared at the start of this video on how you can maximize these websites. Most of these websites will still give you money if your links are viewed from anywhere else in the world, but if you want to make the most from these websites, you need to target specific countries. And now don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and share this information with your friends and family.